I'm the front marker, I don't move. Chris, who's dressed like Donald Trump, is the back. He's the back marker, he doesn't move in the group either. So the front right, the front bike, the back bike don't move. You guys in the middle, you're going to rotate. Well done. Gino, you don't swear in church.